In this video, I will compare Trading212 and Saxo Bank to help you choose the right investment platform for your needs. So I will divide this video into certain areas, and I'm going to talk about a platform overview. After, I will talk about fees and costs, best for what, and I will make a final verdict between the two. So let's not wait any longer and dive into this video, starting off with a platform overview of Trading212. Well, Trading212 offers a user-friendly, commission-free trading experience, ideal for beginners and casual investors, and this makes Trading212 ideal for purchasing stocks and ETFs. And Saxo Bank, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive platform with access to a wide range of global markets and advanced trading tools, catering to experienced investors. And what about fees and costs? Well, Trading212 charges no commissions on trades and has a 0.15% currency conversion fee. Saxo Bank charges fees based on transaction size and asset class, with a custody fee of 0.12% per annum for stocks, ETFs, and bonds. And I would say that Trading212 is best for investors seeking a simple, low-cost platform with features like fractional shares and automated investing tools. Saxo Bank, on the other hand, is ideal for experienced investors looking for advanced features, a broader range of investment products, and access to international markets. And let's make a final verdict between the two. I would say choose Trading212 for its ease of use and commission-free trading, perfect for those that are new to investing, and choose Saxo Bank for its robust features and global market access, suitable for seasoned investors. And which platform do you prefer? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.